I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.
Oke, ya hari ini kita goes menuju Ujung Pancu dalam rangka 17 tahun tsunami.
Gabung kita.
Main berapa main?
Ada lagi. Halo. Hari ini kita goes ke daerah Ujung Pancu.
Bagus.
Mari goes bersama kita.
Oke, Rubah Goes Club. Mantap.
Rubah Goes Club, semangat.
Ayo kita ke Ujung Pancu.
Rubah Goes Club. Selamat warga. Oke.
If you can't be right here, I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you.
Ketemu lagi ya. Ya, 17 tahun tsunami. Oke, ya Mas ya. Oke, jalan.
Kena baju baru ringan dari sepeda luar biasa.
Kita mesti telanjang dan benar-benar bersih, suci lahir dan di dalam batin. Tengoklah ke dalam sebelum bicara, singkirkan debu yang masih melekat.
Hijau. Mantap.
Anugerah dan bencana adalah kehendaknya. Kita mesti tabah menjalani. Hanya cambuk kecil agar kita sadar adalah Dia di atas segalanya. Oh, adalah Dia di atas segalanya. Anak menjerit-jerit, asap panas membakar, lahar dan badai menyapu bersih. Ini bukan hukuman, hanya satu isyarat bahwa kita mesti berbenah. Memang bila kita kaji lebih jauh dalam kekalutan, masih banyak tangan yang tega berbuat nista. Tuhan pasti telah memperhitungkan amal dan dosa yang kita perbuat. Kemanakah lagi kita akan
bersembunyi, hanya kepadanya kita kembali.
Tak ada yang bakal bisa menjawab. Mari hanya runduk sujud padanya.
Gowes Club. Bismillah.
Selamat ulang tahun Tsunami 17 tahun 2021. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Indonesia Singapura 4-2.
Mantap.
Masih.
Kita mesti berjuang
4-2.
memerangi
Yes.
diri, bercermin dan banyak bercermin. Tuhan ada di sini, di dalam jiwa ini. Berusahalah agar ia tersenyum. Oh, berusahalah agar ia tersenyum.
If you leave me, I'll go die. I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving the thought of me, I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never need a back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing. I follow come, love is silicon. I got the finish work. Without you, I could feel lose my mind. Without you, I could feel fall and die. Without you, I could give up my life. Without you, never need a back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing. Another nigga honey, lover, I wanna be a lover forever, forever.
Dua Indonesia menang. Wow.
Azari, jalan.
Ya. Pulang kita. Saya ngopi.
Iya. Ngopi di ujung Pancu. Iya. Jangan lupa, ya, makan kue pancung. Ya, gowes-gowes, jalan-jalan sampai ke tepi laut. Ya, jangan lupa dibawa pulang putu laut.
Bagus tuh, mantap. Hari ini luar biasa.
Luar biasa, mantep. Luar biasa. Bagus, luar biasa, mantap.
Alhamdulillah. Luar biasa.
Spirit.
Jalan.
Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead.
Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
'Cause we were just kids and we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine.
Baby, I'm
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home.
I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes.
Baby, I'm
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Ooh, yeah, perfect. Ooh, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak.